They getting their taste buds ready. Look. Y'all want some watermelon too? Get back in there. Y'all ain't ready to go over there. Trust me, them helpers mean. Let me put it down so you bite my damn thing.
Why y'all acting so funny?
If y'all can eat that, I'm not gonna give y'all no more if y'all ain't gonna eat it. They eat the watermelon and drink the juice too. That's what the big chickens do. These little ones come funny acting.